Hello and welcome to the 23rd match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Howard Cooke Primary from St. James up against Mandeville Primary from Manchester. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So earlier on we had the coin toss and Mandeville Primary 1 decided to have Howard Cooke go first. So we begin section 1 where we'll ask teams questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer and will earn 1 point for each correct answer. We begin with Bible knowledge. Howard Cooke. Which boy was given a name which means drawn from water?
Moses.
Correct. Mandeville. Which boy was given a name which means laughter?
Jacob.
Incorrect, it's Isaac. Science, Howard Cooke. Apart from the pinna, what is another name for the only visible part of the human ear?
Earlobe.
Incorrect, it's oracle. Mandeville, what is the name of the snail-shaped structure in the air?
Cochlea.
Correct. Regional affairs, this is a visual, Howard Cooke. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Clifford Sangster.
Incorrect, it's Roosevelt Scarrett, Prime Minister of Dominica. Mandeville, look at the monitor as well and identify this person.
Raul Castro.
It's Alan Castanet, Prime Minister of St. Lucia. English language, Howard Cooke. What is the abstract noun from the adjective angry?
Anger.
Correct. Mandeville, what is the abstract noun from the adjective different?
Difference.
Correct. Television, this is a visual. Howard Cooke, look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Cameron Diaz.
Incorrect, it's Lily Reinhardt. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Stacey Michaels.
Incorrect, it's Camila Mendez. We move on to general knowledge. Howard Cooke, in which country will you find the city of Edmonton?
England.
Incorrect, it's Canada. Mandeville, in which country will you find the city of Bristol?
England.
Correct. Social studies. Howard Cooke, on which continent can the Andes mountain range be found?
South America.
Correct. Mandeville, on which continent can the Alps mountains be found?
Europe.
Correct. Music for Howard Cooke. Which female artist recorded the song Wild Thoughts?
Rihanna.
Correct. Mandeville, which female artist recorded the album Lemonade?
Beyonce.
Correct. Mathematics, Howard Cooke. If 4y minus 19 equals 25, what is y?
11.
Correct. Mandeville, if 8z minus 26 equals 22, what is z?
6.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. Howard Cooke, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Yaya Toure.
Correct. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Roberts.
Gonzalez.
Incorrect, it's Zabi Alonso. Jamaican affairs, Howard Cooke. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Anolaka tong.
Mekona talk.
Correct. Mandeville, complete the Jamaican proverb. No make your left hand know.
So your right hand will go right.
So your right hand go right.
Judges? Not exactly what your right hand will do. So that's incorrect. And that's the bell, signaling the end of section 1 with the scores now. Howard Cooke on 7 and Mandeville Primary on 6. We'll go for a break, but before we do, please listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. Sometimes working in groups can help you when struggling to understand a topic or to complete assignments more quickly. Keep groups small and structured to ensure the maximum benefit and reduce distractions. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.